Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video we are hooking up a very beautiful and cute crochet keychains designs ideas. Hopefully you like this video in different collections, so please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about recommend. Get ready to create a personalized accessories. So let's get started. To start we'll be using a yarn and a hook. These designs factorizing unique features which add a touch of different style and elegance. To ensure all the ideas are unique and cute. For a customized look, try adding some embellishment to the section of the keychain. You add some more embellishments like flowers, beads, pearls, stones, different cartoon character shapes, and you add and decor your crochet keychains designs easily. For a customized look, try adding embellishment and decor your crochet keychains. From sweet and simple to intricate the elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an experted crocheters, these ideas are amazing and unique for you. We will show you how to create beautiful texture using yarn and different techniques, plus got tips on how to customize, how to create beautiful crochet keychains designs ideas. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize, how to create crochet keychains designs ideas easily. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to make this project unique and special. You can also add some embellishment and decor your crochet keychains designs ideas easily. Please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next few more videos about crochet work and knitting work, like crochet work baby frocks design, crochet work baby dress design, crochet work different ideas. You visit my YouTube channel and watch more different ideas till end without skip. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more designs. Keep watching my more different ideas till end. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas till end without skip. And if you want to buy these beautiful keychains design, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, aliexpress, etsy.com, clicky, and many different websites. You visit and order your favorite design and ideas easily. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Bye bye.